Hi everyone! Today we're checking out the 26-piece silicone cooking utensils, set with a handy holder. Made from BPA-free food-grade silicone, these utensils are safe, durable, and won't bend or break during use. They resist heat up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can cook without worrying about melting or damage. The silicone tips protect your cookware from scratches, extending the life of your pans. Each utensil features a sturdy wooden handle that stays cool and is easy to clean. This complete set includes spatulas, spoons, tongs, measuring cups, and more, covering all your kitchen needs. It's a perfect gift for anyone who loves cooking and wants reliable kitchen tools. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.